Alright guys, so currently we're in spring and the weather has been so good. Like, this is like one of the first times since I relocated to Berlin that I'm not wearing any coat or any winter jacket. Yeah, because the weather is very cool right now. So you know how we do it on this channel, where every month we plan out what we want to achieve for the month, but before then we go through the goal we planned for last month to see if we're able to hit the goal, and then if we're not able to hit the goal, we just move it down to the new month and then add some new things as well. Remember, no pressure. If you're unable to achieve anything last month, it's fine, as long as you don't just keep staying there. So all we're going to do is stand up, plan for the month of June, and then try our best to see if we can achieve at least 60 to 70% of the goals we planned. When you make the goals very bulky, when you see it, you sort of get scared. When it looks way too big for you, you might not want to go ahead. So what I try to do every time is to break my goals into very tiny bits so that I can easily achieve them and tick them off. Ticking off my goals really gives me joy. So yeah, and then one thing I needed to know in Berlin is that we have a lot of cyclers, like people cycle a lot. I also cycle. I even had to buy my bicycle, so this is it. If this is your first time on my channel, a very big welcome to you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Alright guys, so I'm in the spreadsheet right now and we're going to go back to what we planned to achieve in the month of May, and I think I was saying 70% of the goals I planned for the month of May, we were able to tick it off. So get a new personal laptop. Remember, I mentioned in the last video that my old laptop was messing up, so I needed to get a new laptop. So that's actually what I'm currently using to show you guys this. So I got this new MacBook, and thanks to you guys for all the support on this channel. And then the second go-to was to invest, some of my money. Like, how I always talk about investing and, making your money work for you. I always like to invest and then create 8 videos on YouTube. If you go through the channel, I was able to create, I think, around 12 or 13 videos and then create a sponsored video. So for the first time since I became monetized, or since I became a YouTuber, I got my first sponsored video, and it was really amazing. It made me feel very good. It made me, like I always mention that sometimes I used to have imposter syndrome, but I'm like, so if someone can actually reach out to me, telling me the person actually, my videos and how they love my video, that they would want me to, make a video for them. It reassured me that I'm actually, to some extent doing a great work on this channel. And read Keep Going by Austin Kleon, and I read this book, guys. This book, like, is one of the best books I've read, in the sense that it wasn't difficult to read at all. If you go through the book, like, I think I left the link in the previous in the plan with me for May, you would enjoy reading the book. If you struggle with reading, I don't think this one will be a problem, because it's actually very short. It has some, scribbles and, pictures and all of that to even make the reading very easy for you. So the book is about, encouraging you to go out and pursue your goal, and not just place value, like, in this modern world where we try to monetize everything currently, like, it's telling you that there are some things that you can just, just try to enjoy your process, enjoy your growth. Do not let the likes and maybe how many people are liking my picture or how many people are seeing my work and all of that, do not let it be a hindrance for you. Just keep doing what you're doing, and people would appreciate your work in no time and all of that. So it's just for you to be encouraged and motivated. I really like it, so I would always recommend it. 2 weeks 30-minute cycling challenge, guys. This month of May, I cycled a lot. Like, I even, to some extent, I think I almost injured myself at some point, because, like, I'm really trying to be very fit and all of that. So I actually did this challenge. I cycled a whole lot the month of May. Growth channel. So our channel grew to 4,900. I think the last time we did it, it was around 4,600. 300 amazing plus people joined us on this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope I'm meeting your expectations and all of that. Then buy my personal bicycle. So the bicycle I've been using is is a rented one, so every month I pay 21 euros for the bicycle. But I saw a great opportunity to buy my own personal bicycle and I bought it. And then for work was really great this past month, although at some point I was ill and I took like a week off, but I'm very okay now. Well, work was very great. So the one I wasn't able to fully achieve is start sending out monthly newsletter. I know I told you guys the previous month I'm going to start creating, sending newsletters and all of that. I think I really procrastinated this one. That was why I wasn't able to do it. But hopefully the month of June I'm going to start sending out newsletters. So now invest in good microphone. So because I've already made a lot of expenses, buying the personal laptop and buying my bicycle, I couldn't make more expenses to getting a good microphone. But I'm going to move it to the month of July and I'll tell you why in a moment. And then take my first German class. I'm still struggling with this German class. I haven't still started it, but I moved it down to the month of June. So now coming to the month of June, what do I want to achieve in the month of June? So in the month of June, a lot of people have been asking me that, even on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Instagram, even sometimes in the comment section, that they want to start having like a one-on-one session with me. So I want to see if I can create an account where people can book like a session with me. So I'm going to, I think there's this platform where they call Super Pair, where I registered and I'm waiting for a response from them. So that's one thing I want to do, so that I can put people through with this crypto and finance and all of that. And then the second one is to send out the monthly newsletter like I mentioned. And then the third one is take a quarterly short trip. That's why I'm not going to be buying the microphone. I'm going to move it to June. So my friends and I are trying to take a very short trip to one of these European countries this month of June. And then I want to do a 30-day jump jack challenge. So I think every day I will do like 500 jump jacks and all of that. And then another thing I want to do is exercise minimum of 4 days a week. So the jump jack is very different from the normal exercise, because what we do in the house, every morning when we wake up we try to work out. So that's why I put it there, exercise minimum of 4 days a week, and then write my first blog post for my company. So the company I currently work for in Berlin, so I was among the people who chose to start writing on the blog. So I'm supposed to release my first blog post the month of June. So I'm hoping that I'm able to write an interesting one and write out pattern and chapters for my course. So I want to, so I want to create a course, and I know what the course is going to be about. So I want to see if I can use this month to create or write out the pattern of what I want or how I want the course to go, and then read functional JavaScript. So this month we are going to be reading 2 books. I'm going to be reading Discover Functional JavaScript. If you don't know, if this is your first time, I'm a software developer, so I want to read this book. I really like it. It's about functional and object-oriented programming in JavaScript, so I want to read it for this month. And then I also want to, for fun, when we travel, I want to read this book, The Silent Partner. So my friend read it and she really liked it. So okay, maybe if you don't know, I love reading novels. So I picked this one for the second book for the month. And then I want to try if I can take this German class again seriously, and then create minimum of 8 contents on YouTube, grow the channel to 5,000 subscribers. So for me to be able to achieve this, I really have to create and make valuable contents that a lot of people would see and then decide to subscribe to the channel. If you're still watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And then another one is to make more sponsored videos. So if you know anyone, guys, that would want me to make a video for them, especially when it comes to finance, please, you can always recommend me. I want to make more sponsored videos. I put fingers crossed. I would really want to do more sponsored videos. And then read The Silent Partner, which is this book I just showed you. So if you're a novel freak like me and you want to read novels and you're looking for the one you can read for the month, check out Silent Partner. Although I haven't read it, but my friend highly recommended it. So that is it for our plan with me. I hope you also planned with me, so that next month when we are reviewing for July, we'll check out if we're able to hit our goals. Remember, guys, slow progress is better than no progress. So let's always keep planning and trying our best to tick off some of the goals, and I know that those plans, those dreams we have one day will eventually come to reality. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. You can check out the links in my description for, you know, maybe buying me a coffee or supporting me by joining my Patreon account, or just checking out some of the affiliate links I have in the description. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. And that is it. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't start to the show. I don't want to do a video. Your head, I'll start seeing you in my
that video, I don't know whether you know that song.
Maggie told me about why am I shouting?
Hey guys!
So now, like, I'm going to. Hey guys, welcome back.